Hey guys, yeah, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to trade US30 profitably and very smart. I want you to be able to look at the chart in a very smart way. Okay, so if you like trading support and resistance, I won't recommend that again because I have been there. Okay, I have been there. If you want to trade smartly and you like support and resistance the most, just trade using structures. I will say apply more of structures to it, okay, because this is very simple and very easy. And trust me, if you can watch this video from beginning to the end, you're going to learn how to trade US30. Okay, not just US30 but any forex pairs. Okay, just that US30 is more easier to trade. US30 and Us100 is more easier to trade. That's what I would say. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. So right now I always start my analysis from the daily time frame. You can see the chart has been making higher low, higher high, okay, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, and the market change trend. Okay, created what we call change of character, and we're expecting to pull back to this demand area, to this supply zone, and still take out this low, but it came to even mitigate this one to push all the way to the upside to sweep these highs and create a new high. Okay, so right now, without wasting your time on this daily time frame, we already know that we are bullish. Okay, from this daily analysis, we already know that we are very bullish. And funny enough, before this move here happened, I already marked out this demand zone. It was very simple. It was very simple, guys. Trust me, this was the smoothest analysis I've already made, and it really went crazy all the way to the upside. But I will break down how that happened. So looking at this daily time frame, you can see that looking at this area, there is a lot of rejections. A lot of people have lost a lot of money here. So this is the reason why you shouldn't be trading support and resistance only. Okay, let me show you guys this. So if we are trading support and resistance, we should have this. Okay, we should have our analysis like this. Okay, and what will happen? Let's go to the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I will show you guys this. Okay, we have our analysis like this. US30 is very volatile. Okay, it's very volatile. That's what we want to know. Okay, so on our support, we are meant to do what? You can see where the support and resistance came from. This is where we should have drive it from. Okay, so on our support, we are meant to buy, right? And on our resistance, we are meant to sell. Okay, so imagine entering this trade right now. You know how large your stop loss is going to be, and not just that. It's not just that your stop loss is going to be large. You are going to be trading against the trend. You can see it here. You can see, because definitely you're going to have your entry here. You are going to enter here once you see a rejection candle. Let me make this clear. Okay, you see the market came here, it rejected, you see it closed above. That is my entry criteria when I was trading support and resistance. Okay, but look at this trend. What is happening, guys? What is happening? That's what you want to ask yourself. What is happening here now? Okay, place your stop loss here. Okay, you can see the market came here, take you out, and still went all the way to the upside. Okay, and even if you entered here during the New York session here and put your stop loss below, it should have still taken you out, because this stop loss you are seeing now is how many pips? Let me check. Let's see how many pips this is. This is 100 points, guys. This is 100 points that you are risking here. 100 points, and your TP did not even hit. You can see the market trade above retested again, give us rejection candle, pushed up. You can see this might be a break-even trade, and later I see went to your stop loss. Can you see that? So you are not meant to be trading like that, okay? It's not normal. It doesn't make sense. The next day we had another one, okay, and you see break above retest. This one was a good trade. Yes, it was a good trade, but it still what did not hit our TP. Returned back and hit our stop loss. Even if you're targeting 1 to 2, it's not bad here, okay? It still hit TP, okay? So, and this one again, this one now is sell. This is now sell, okay? Break below, it came to retest it, and boom, you are here. 79 points. So see the money you are risking, very crazy, and the market is taking you out. The market is taking you out straight away. It's smashing your stop loss one way, okay? Unless you be having 100 points stop losses, all those things, you can see it. So the next day again, we still have this, okay? We still have this. It came, retested, and boom, we are in profit. And this one again, the other day, you can see our stop loss got taken. You understand? This is how you trade blindly, okay? If you are trading support and resistance, you are trading not everybody actually, okay? Most traders, especially the new trader that uses support and resistance, they trade blindly, and I have proven it to you now. But right here, if you are trading supply and demand, you see that the structure is very, very bearish. You can see. So let me just return all those drawings back. Let me see if our support and resistance is back. Okay. So right here, you can see that the market created what? From this, watch, let me explain it. You see, lower high, what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So why would you be buying here? Instead of waiting to catch this lower high that will be forming here to try to take out the sell, to sell to the downside, to take out this low. You see? So that is the help of structures for you. If you know about structures as a support and resistance trader, you'll be looking to catch this pullback. You'll be looking to, because you know that the market will violate this one, because you're not meant to even be looking for sell here for buys here at all, because of what? The market is very, very bearish. So it can just make a small buy to the upside, then you see it, boom, you get it, to take out your stop loss straight away. And you saw it here. Right now I proved it to you guys how you can continuously lose with this trading strategy, okay? So you need to improvise, okay? So if you're a supply and demand trader, you know that yes, here you plot your Fibonacci retracement here, wait to catch it from the discounted price, okay? This is how smart money traders trade, okay? You see that on the 50%, you can see the market came into the discounted price. What happened here? Touch what? Demand zone here. I will just put it here, okay? Because the supply area there, you can see it here. You see, it came, retested it. It even changed structure again for us to re-enter, okay? So we had another supply. If you go to the lower time, this is 1 hour time frame. The next day, what happened? The market still came inside that area before what? Smart going to take this low. You can see the way, all the way it's moved. You understand? So right now, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let me just clear you on this, okay? So you see what happened right here now. The market came into that zone. You can see it yourself. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you should have had a zone here. You could have refined it. You see that the smart money are going to use it for traps, okay? Because they've already violated stop losses of those support and resistance traders here. They've taken a lot of loss and they're out, okay? So that is it, okay, for that one. And yeah, this is what happened. The market came, tapped into it. What happened? Change structure. So it changed structure. it changed structure to the downside. You can see it here. And what happened? It created what? From here to here is our demand actually, okay? So it's not bad. Or if we can refine it to this level, okay, to this last bearish candle, just take it from the extreme. But sometimes you might not get stuck in, so it's better you just enter from the other one, okay? You see, so even if you are risking 76 pips here, look at what you be targeting, guys. Targeting to take what? Look, you're not even targeting to take out the major low, because you see that the market is ranging. It's more about like reversing, because what? It has tapped into our daily demand zone, okay? So this is it here. You will trading to take out what? To take out, where is the last low that was created? Okay, this is the number one target here. You'll be targeting to take out this low, okay? And we still have what? 1 to what? This is 1 to 2.88, okay? Close to 1 to 3. You can just make it 1 to 3 because it is very close to it, okay? Can just target it? It's very simple. 1 to 3 RR. That's just this. Very simple like that, okay? It's not hard. It's just like that. It's very simple. We all know that the major trend is trying to go this way, okay? It's trying to take out this main low here, okay? And right now we still have another demand above. Sorry, another supply. I used to make a mistake with that. Sorry, let me. And this is it here. Let me just use this line first. So since you know the market has, sorry, let me adjust this. This is not properly drawn. So since you know the market is just, so since you know the market has mitigated all demand here, so the market is going to come up again. It's going to what? Tap straight into it. So this will be more like an aggressive entry, okay? So this is what supply and demand trading like the banks can do for you. It can help you understand how the movement of the entire market. You'll be targeting this low now, okay? Just like that, you'll be targeting that low. Even your stop loss might not be as big as this. If you go to the lower time frame, like the 5 minutes and the 1 minute, you see that you still get more tighter entries, okay? Just depend on your entry strategy, okay? You can see it here. You can see the market went straight, what? Smashing this supporter. You see the way the market is violating it, taking out stop losses, taking out. You can see it yourself, okay? Some traders are buying, looking to buy here, take them out, buy, take them out on this, buy again, take them out on the sell. Just violating everywhere. It's just violating everywhere, okay? So even if you have your trend line, where is your trend line going to? Like, how will you be plotting this trend line, please? How? Like, okay, let's say you had a trend line like this, okay, or like this. Let's put it this way, okay? Fine. What happened? The market came to it, we tested on it. What happened? On your stop, on your you have the support and resistance here. You're meant to be, this has turned to resistance, right? Fine and good. But what happened? It violated it, take out people's stop losses above it, and what happened? Boom, to the downside. But if you're a smart money concept trader with your strategy, you can see that, yeah, if this fails here, look what will happen. You'll be looking for a violation to take that simple small demand over there, small supply zone over there, and you just catch it like that. Just simple, okay? This is very simple, guys. I don't just know why it's very hard for some people to understand, but for me, this is where I'm stuck, okay? This is where I'm stuck to. So if you have this like this is what you'll be doing, targeting that daily demand straight away, making what? Close to 10% of your accounts, just because you really understand what smart money is about to do right there. You understand? So I suggest you apply this to your trading strategy because it's really going to help you. Okay, so right now let me just do a brief analysis on US30 so we know what to be expecting next week. Let's see the daily time frame. So from this daily time frame now, I'll be trying to know my buyers from here, if I'm going to be buying or I'm going to be selling next week. So this is what I have right here. Okay, I have this as number one. That's my demand zone and it has tapped into it. Change structure right here is where my own structure was changed. This is a change of structure on the 4-hour time frame if you check it. Okay, so change structure, and on the daily we had this last push. Okay, so the market has tapped into it and boom, you can see. That's what I was saying, that if you do analysis from the daily, from the higher time frames, you'll be able to catch bigger moves than the one you used to catch. You can see just tapped into the exact 0.382 level and 0.236 level, just like that. Boom, it pushed all the way to the upside. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we are looking at. Okay, so right here we have our, let's delete the Fibonacci retracement. What you see on my chart here is just basically period separators, like days. Every days that passes, it gives me one line. That's just it. It divides it for me. So right here we are going to delete this one. This is our demand right here on the daily, and this is the change of structure. Okay, this is the change of structure right here, and we have this extreme zone here. I'll just put it this way. Okay, but the market didn't get to it, but it came into what, that Fibonacci retracement, and this gap is more imbalance right there. And what happened? Boom, it created this high. You see, tapped into it, created this high. Then what happened? It came to what, mitigate the demand zone. You see, it always gives entries. It always gives entries. Okay, it always gives entries. So if you're imagine being a swing trader, you just be riding this trend. That's why US30 and Nas100, they are one of the best, I would say, instruments out there. Okay, out there. So like, it just gives you if it's going to lose, the same thing, it just goes like that. You see, simple day trade, simple swing trading strategy. You enter on the 4-hour, everything looks so cool. You see, so now there is already a break of this high. Okay, there's already a break of this high, and what happened next? We have retraced to what, to tap into a small demand right here. We have done that, and yeah, what's the next thing? Markets might still come back to it, but we have this demand again, and we have more like this. Okay, so the market is pushing, is not giving us that much entries, but I think this is one of the best areas for us to look out for US30 to drop into. Then we look to buy to the upside. I'm waiting strongly for these areas. Okay, and I have small mini demand inside it, so let's just be like this, and this one will be like this. This one is one of the best here because it's engulfed smoothly. Okay, so this is what I'm just looking out for on US30. If you would like to see it on the 1-hour time frame, this is just it. Simple things, guys. If I see change of structure, I ride it to the upside. So guys, this is the end of this video. I would like you to just help me subscribe to this channel. If you like what I give you here, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Okay, and like the video. I always get views, but I don't get likes. Why? If you're watching my videos and you don't like it, like, what's the patience of watching it if you don't like my videos? Okay, so show me true love, guys. Show me true love. Like the video. Thank you, guys. Bye.